Hey guys, it's Susan. Today we're going to make some really pretty black and white and crystal earrings. To get started making your earrings, you're going to need a head pin. This is the 10mm rutilated quartz, hematite, rainbow 4mm. You're going to need a 6mm clear quartz gemstone, an earring wire, and 22 gauge wire. I'm going to cut 4 inches of my wire. I'm going to straighten it out a little. I'm going to start at one end of my wire and I'm going to bring it to the back, make a bend, and then I'm going to switch out for my round nose pliers and I'm going to form a loop at the bottom. Oops. Like that. Then I'm going to put on my hematite, my rutilated quartz, and my hematite. Using my chain nose pliers, I'm going to pinch the wire at the top, bring the wire to the back, switch out for my round nose pliers, and I'm going to come up, over, down, rotate my pliers, and bring the wire to the back. I'm going to pinch down the loop that I just made. Using my chain nose pliers, I'm going to come around, two times in the crease, then I'm going to go down my hematite, come into the crease, come around my rutilated quartz, come into the crease, bring it around my hematite, and come around the loop at the bottom, right here. I'm going to cut off my excess, pinch down the burr, using my head pin, I'm going to go right through my quartz, bringing the wire to the back, coming up, over, down, rotate, bring the wire to the back. I'm going to open the door of my loop, put my earring right through, making sure that I've got it in the loop to connect it. Then I'm going to pinch down my loop and wire wrap around. Cut off my excess. Pinch down my burr. I'm going to open up my earring wire hang on my earring and close it down. And there you have it, so pretty and so easy to make. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.